everybody. Today we're going to Abu Dhabi. So right now I'll be taking the public transportation, which is the bus from Al Barsha Heights, which where I'm staying right now, to Abu Dhabi. Approximately travel time would be around almost 2 hours. Now, and my bus is here. We're taking the metro to, I forgot. Alright, so we've topped up our card. Now for some reason they don't provide change. So make sure you have the exact amount when you're topping up. And one thing that you need to remember is that all of their train station, it has a separate carriage for women and child. So make sure that you get into this one, not in the pink ones, and definitely not in the gold pass if you're not a gold pass holder. Also, Dubai is preparing for the 2020 Expo, so while you observe, there's a lot of constructions going on right now in the entire city, including on the MRT railways. So we are actually here and we need to go to IBN Batuta. That's where we can ride a bus into Abu Dhabi. But for some reason, this line here between Nakil Harbour Tower, there's an ongoing construction in preparation for the Expo 2020. So basically, we're just gonna stop by Jumeirah Light Towers, ride a free shuttle service going to IBN Batuta, and then take a bus from there.
Wow! A few moments later.
Alright, made our way here to the bus station. Now, it's just so hot. So IBN Batuta MRT station, from there just walk ahead. Bus number is 101. Yeah, E101, that's the bus going to Abu Dhabi. And they said the fare is approximately 25 dirhams. So right now we're waiting for the bus. Alright, we're finally here at Abu Dhabi terminal and I'm looking for my friend. We're going to meet up at Al Wada Mall.
Welcome to Philippines.
Later.
On to our first stop is the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. We're not able to get in because it's Ramadan. So we're only allowed to get in from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. So the rest of the hour you're not allowed to get in. You can only get in if you want to pray. Sad.
Well, you do.
Alright, we finally made our way here at the Grand Palace, Emirates Palace. Oh my god, look at this view! Amazing! Oh, by the way, meet Y! Hey! My official tour guide for today. the local restaurants, and we're gonna do iftar. Iftar is basically breaking the fast after Ramadan. So before eating, we need to eat these things, dates.
This is the bread.
Very big bread, look at that. Very big slice of chicken. So we're taking the boat. This one is a special trip.